Hello, and welcome to this exciting series on data engineering. In today's world, where data drives decisions and innovation, data engineering plays a pivotal role. But what exactly is data engineering? That's the question we'll answer in this video. Data engineering refers to the practice of designing, building, and maintaining systems that enable organizations to collect, process, and use data efficiently. Think of it as constructing the highways, tunnels, and bridges that allow data to flow seamlessly between sources and destinations. It is the foundation of the data ecosystem, ensuring that raw data is transformed into clean, reliable, and actionable information. Why is this field so critical today? Data is being generated at an exponential rate. Think about every online purchase, social media post, sensor reading, or bank transaction. However, raw data is messy. It can be incomplete, inconsistent, or spread across multiple systems. Without proper engineering, this data remains inaccessible and unusable, making it impossible for businesses to leverage its full potential. So how is data engineering different from other roles, like data analysis or data science? While analysts interpret data to generate insights and data scientists build models to predict future trends, data engineers ensure that the data these roles rely on is well organized, accurate, and accessible. Without the work of data engineers, analysts and scientists would spend most of their time cleaning and organizing data instead of delivering value. The life cycle of data engineering typically includes 4 key stages. Data ingestion. This is where data is gathered from various sources, such as APIs, transactional databases, or real-time IoT devices. Data transformation. Raw data is cleaned, enriched, and reshaped into a usable format. For instance, duplicate records might be removed, missing values filled in, or categorical data encoded numerically. Data storage. The transformed data is then stored in systems like relational databases, cloud-based data warehouses, or large-scale data lakes, depending on the use case. Data delivery. Finally, the data is made available to stakeholders through dashboards, reports, or machine learning pipelines. Let's consider a real-world example. Imagine you're working for a music streaming platform. Data engineers here might build systems to collect data from user activity, such as songs played, skipped, or liked. This data is cleaned and enriched to identify trends and stored in a scalable cloud database. This enables data scientists to develop personalized playlists for users, improving customer satisfaction. A typical data engineer's toolkit includes cutting-edge technologies. Apache Kafka is often used for real-time data streaming, Apache Spark for distributed data processing, and Snowflake for cloud-based storage. These tools allow engineers to handle massive amounts of data with speed and efficiency. Despite the tools, challenges abound in data engineering. Handling large-scale data reliably, ensuring data quality, and designing systems that can scale with growing business needs are some of the common hurdles. Data privacy and security also require special attention, particularly in sensitive industries like healthcare and finance. From enabling real-time fraud detection in banking to optimizing supply chains in retail, the work of data engineers is indispensable. They enable companies to gain actionable insights, improve decision-making, and deliver innovative products and services. In summary, data engineering is the process of creating reliable, efficient systems to collect, process, and store data. It's the unsung hero behind the scenes, making data-driven strategies and innovations possible. In the next video, we'll delve into one of the core components of data engineering: data pipelines. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into cutting-edge development tools. Meta Design Solutions is here to help. Reach out to us at this email ID. See you in the next video.